Ready, start. Amid growing concern about the climate crisis, the pervasive problem of air pollution has not gone away. Air pollution is costing India lives and livelihoods. 1.67 million killed in 2019 in bracket according to the global burden of disease report black bracket close, and a loss of 95 billion annually to Indian businesses in bracket according to consulting firm Dalbert, Clean Air Fund and Confederation of Indian Industry bracket close. Improving the life of chances of our citizens needs more dedicated and precise interventions. Climate action benefits air quality. As the International Governmental Panel on Climate Change noted recently, under low and very low greenhouse gas emissions scenarios, net warming from reduced aerosol emissions is counterbalanced by net cooling from reduced methane and other ozone precursor emissions. Lower methane emissions also improve air quality by reducing surface ozone concentrations. As India considers long term climate actions, it must also leverage from for near term clean air gains. North India will enter another high pollution season next month. Despite the pandemic induced economic slowdown for more than half of the 2020, Delhi residents breathed air that did not meeting national ambient air quality standards. A Council on Energy, Environment and Water in bracket ECCEEW bracket close analysis finds that Delhi had worse air in winter 2020 in bracket 92 severe and very poor days bracket close compared to 80 such days in winter 2019. Delhi must take primitive action. Cities such as Beijing introduce emergency measures in advance. Delhi's graded response action plan kicks in only when pollution rises above certain thresholds. Instead, air quality forecast must be used to issue health warnings and clamp down on polluting sources before the air worsens. Transport curbs, for instance, should be announced in advance of high pollution days. We tolerate security checks when there are credible threats. Similarly, primitive emission controls will need mutual trust between citizens and authorities. Another crucial intervention is tackling farm fires. Between mid October 2020 and mid November, farm fires were responsible for 30% of Delhi's air pollution. Meteorological conditions, winds were calmer for 70% more time than the same period in Afghanistan. China faces several challenges in 2019 exacerbated the impact of those emissions. We cannot bet on wind speeds. Crop residue burning must stop, but the rice dominates the kharif crop in Punjab. With farmers favoring late maturing varieties, there will not be too many days between the rice harvest and wheat planting. Once again, there could be a spate of farm fires. Unfortunately, the challenges with in situ crop residue management are likely to continue this season as well. In a forthcoming report, my colleagues note that Punjab has 76,626 CRM machines such as super seeders, happy seeders, zero till drills, and paddy straw choppers. These are insufficient. The existing happy seeders and super seeders can at best cover two-thirds of the total area shown under non basmati paddy in 2021. The existing stock also remains underused because of unproven fears that wheat yields would drop. The custom hiring and rental models have not worked, and the rise in diesel price is an added disincentive against using this farm equipment. Stop.